Ever wondered how to make the perfect spaghetti bolognese at home? This hearty and satisfying dish is a staple in Italian cuisine, and it's easier to make than you might think. We're here to guide you through each step. Stay tuned to find out how to create this delicious Italian classic. First, gather all the necessary ingredients. You'll need some spaghetti, of course. For the sauce, a good amount of minced beef is essential. Then, to give it that traditional bolognese flavor, you'll want onions and garlic, finely chopped. The body of the sauce comes from canned tomatoes and a bit of tomato paste. A splash of red wine adds depth, while a dash of seasoning, such as salt, pepper and herbs, perfects the dish. With all these ingredients at your disposal, you're ready to start cooking. Now it's time to turn these ingredients into a flavorsome meal. Let's start by warming up a drizzle of olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. With the oil shimmering, it's time to add the diced onions and minced garlic. Sauté them until they're soft and fragrant, releasing all their wonderful aromas. Next, in goes the ground meat. You want to brown it nicely, stirring occasionally to ensure it cooks evenly. Once that's done, it's time for the canned tomatoes and the hearty tomato paste. Stir them into the meat, letting the flavors meld together. Now for a little magic, a generous splash of red wine. This will deepen the flavors and give a rich undertone to the sauce. Let it simmer gently for around 20 minutes, allowing all the ingredients to get to know each other. While that's happening, boil your spaghetti until it's al dente, then drain it. Combine it with the sauce and stir well to ensure every strand is coated. And there you have it, a plate of perfect spaghetti bolognese right in your kitchen. Congratulations on creating a culinary masterpiece. You've mastered the art of spaghetti bolognese, a dish versatile enough to invite your own creative twists. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Easy Peasy Cooking channel. Until next time, happy cooking.